Fire safety signs. It is important to understand and obey signs that relate to fire safety. We outline the most common now. No smoking. This is a prohibition sign. Prohibition signs are red circles with a diagonal line through it. Smoking is only allowed in designated areas. Smoking materials must be disposed of properly and carefully. Assembly point. This is a safe condition sign. It is green and indicates the location of a muster or fire assembly point. Fire exit. Keep clear. This is a mandatory sign. Mandatory signs are blue and must be obeyed. Fire extinguisher. This is a safety sign. It is red and indicates the location of firefighting equipment. Flammable substance. Warning signs are yellow and indicate a specific danger. In this instance, the danger is a flammable substance. Fire alarm. Another red safety sign. It indicates the location of fire alarm. Fire exit. This is a safe condition sign. It is green and indicates where there is a fire exit. All signs should be visible and in good condition.